What is going on, everybody? We are here to do the Big Berthas. If you guys are new here, these are our two larger dryers. We clean these out every 2 weeks. We're thinking about pushing that to 3 weeks, but let's see. There's door number 1. Let's see what's behind door number 2. It has been a busy couple of weeks. Did have Memorial Day in there. But overall, we've had our 2 biggest months back to back. There's door number 2. Coming back to screen number 1. What's on top, real quick? I keep finding money. I'll take it. Sorry, Kathy, that's mine. A little banging of the screen. It's the only way to do it. Good enough? Clean enough. Screen number 2. Screens aren't too bad. All right, beautiful. Let's see what kind of lint we got today. Oh yeah, that is a nice pile of lint. Let's see what this, oh yeah, that's nice. Will make a great pillow. Nice big old pile there. All right, we're gonna get this thing sucked up. Ooh. You don't need my help at all today, Kathy. Man. Set these corners. Oh yeah. Another quarter. To Big Bertha number 2. Oh yeah. No money in this one. Oh man, what is all that? Here, let me get behind there real quick. This thing keeps collecting right behind here. There's some wires here. Don't electrocute me, bro. Oh yeah, a little extra. A little extra lint. Might be the difference in the over-under. Let's get this thing off. Let's get these things back together. Screen number 1. Screen number 2. Door number 1. That's where I usually step in to help. Gets that first chain, but I get the second. Good work on Big Bertha 1. Let's get this final door here. Good work. Great work. All right, Big Bertha number 1 and 2 are done. Stay tuned for the weigh-in and the over-under. Thanks, everybody.